Yeah, so feel free to still apply. You know, it's still the same technologies, it's still the same approach, right? It's just a different type of problem or a different type of solution that you're trying to get to. Okay? And, you know, I think that if you were to take the time to think about data science as a practice, as a methodology, as a process, you'll start to see that more and more, right? Because when you're mentioning machine learning or AI or Python or scikit-learn or whatever, those are all just tools, right? To me, to my ear, you're listing off a bunch of tools, not skills. The skill is in knowing how to use those tools, knowing how to properly carry out the development and execution of an algorithm, right? I don't care what the algorithm is. It could be neural networks, it could be regression, it could be image recognition. Who cares? I want to know about the process that you're following, the methodology. That's data science, right? Then you're doing data science. But, you know, it's not about, well, these are the Python libraries I know. It's more about how do you put them all together. Or, you know, if you want to kind of think of it another way, right? It's kind of like being like a car mechanic. You can walk into a car mechanic's job and see that he has all the nice big toolboxes, you know, with the shiny wrenches and all that. And that's great. You need wrenches and you need those tools. But I'm more interested in, does the guy know how to actually use them on my car, right? Or is he going to wreck my car? Because you can use those tools in an incorrect way, right? So think about those distinctions, okay?